Today I'll be replacing the engine air filter on this 3rd generation Kia Optima. Changing the engine air filter is an important maintenance item that should be done every 30,000 miles or 24 months. The only tools needed are a Phillips head screwdriver or a 10mm socket and ratchet. Get started by popping the hood and locating the airbox on the driver's side of the engine bay. Loosen the hose clamp holding the intake hose onto the airbox, then disconnect the upper intake hose. Unclip the 4 retaining clips holding on the upper airbox, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. Gently lift out the top half of the airbox, revealing the air filter below. As you can see, this air filter was definitely needing replacement. You may also want to use a shop vac to remove any debris left in the lower airbox. Before dropping in the new air filter, make sure the rubber gasket around the edge is properly installed, then place it on the lower half of the airbox. Replace the top half of the airbox and resecure the 4 clips. Reattach the intake hose and tighten back the hose clamp. If this video helped you, please take a second and click the like button at the bottom and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below.